mohoro maria marekete guthunduka ni ati there has been a car accident na mutino uyu werekanite gukorwo kuruhanite ngari imwe associated with Waithaka wa Jane and his band. Mutino uria kuringana na some witnesses marauga urahanikire in Northern Bypass, no makiuga ati guti mundu uragurarira mutino-ini uyu. This according to some followers in Waithaka wa Jane's comment section. Ara makorwo magikimwira yes ni maronire ngari ino ikigia mutino kana ikuruhana mutino-ini, but they are glad that no one is hurt. Waithaka is safe and so is his band and teammates. Na ngari niwe no uyu arigwa mutino urakorirwo ukihanika, na as you can see the car was hit at the front, it is badly wrecked. Irakorirwo kiguthana na lori, na ngari ino mafans ni mahotete kumi-identify ta iria Waithaka wa Jane arakoretwo arekereria recently. A video he shared recently agithambia ngari. As you can see, it appears to be the same car that was involved in the accident. Na nginya mafans ake amwe makimuria hihi ino niyo ngari ya kuruhana mutino-ini toyo, akiuria hiyo ndio imepata accident, no ngiaga kiuga nimeona hii gari imepata accident Northern Bypass but Waithaka is safe. Na Waithaka wa Jane is yet to respond kana say anything about the accident, no kuona ati guti mundu gurarite. It's enough confirmation for the fans. Na magikumithia mitino ino na njira nene muno o arigwo kuhana in the comment section, na omingina akiuga woye accident, God have mercy on us. Magi akauga pole kwake Millicent Wanjiko Gai, kwani what is going on, watu wa Mungu akituombeni sana, pole sana Waithaka wa Jane. But the fans are happy kumenya no one was hurt, na thanks to God no one was hurt in the accident. Na ndugakiriganirwo subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.